Guys, we're trying to assemble our gazebo. So here is what we're doing. I don't have time to film it earlier, but it's kind of difficult. This is a beach thing to do. Yeah, so now we're in here. Step 1. We're still in step 1. Okay, so this is our gazebo. I ordered this one at Domi. I will put it here. How much? 12 by 14. Yeah, it costs us like 1.5. Stuff like that. So yeah, this is what we're doing now with my mister. We still have a lot to unbox. And yep, this is all the keneme with numbers like that. So we'll still figure it out. Because you know, I don't have patience to do stuff like this. And there's my coffee with my cigarette. Yeah. So let's see. We already put that up. I couldn't film it, I forgot. So yeah guys, this is the concrete now. As you can see on my latest video, we did this concrete. So just for my gazebo, stuff like that. Yeah, nice. I like it. Oh, I can't wait, you guys. So we will use the gazebo in a couple of days. Yeah, and it's my off today, Friday. So yeah. Oh, there you go. You're so smart, huh? Look at you. Yeah. And we still have more. This is the boxes. I couldn't film, but still have few here. Another more to unbox. Here's already some of the parts. And 2 more over there. And this is the curtains, stuff like that. So, oh my goodness, it's so messy. Yeah. Domi, from Domi Outdoors Living. Yep. You know, I ordered like 4 days ago. It's shipped right away. Whoa, I can't wait again. Tomorrow. Next. Wow. Look at that, folks. Slowly getting there. I'm telling you, slowly. Slowly.
Some assembly required.
It's really big. Nice talaga. Wow, that's hard. That's hard. Oh, wow. It's quite big. See? Very big. See, this guy is so blue now. Wow, this is a bit to put. Almost done. The roofing is all intact. Ooh. Because this one is so big. See you guys. Wow. Looking good. Oh, Han, you have the tools. Hey. I'm telling Ella this cost is 88,000 pesos.
8,000 pesos?
No, 88,000.
Oh, 88,000.
Because 1,500 in USD.
Yes.
Yeah.
But that's metal roof too.
Yep, it's metal.
Oh, metal.
All metal. Metallica. Oh, lucky guys. Oh, look. Look. Look at that. Oh, wow. Nice. I made the right decision again, you guys. Always. Excuse me. Yeah. Because, you know, it's been raining all day and suddenly the sky is like, boom! Team, boom! Oh, there's the baby there. Blue sky and tomorrow. Ay, rain tomorrow pala. Excuse me. Wow. I need a letter sing. La, 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 la. Wow, I'm so happy with this project. So this the cement over there, the concrete one, it's Mike's bid it for 8,000, but he gave us a discount because my husband and Mike are friends, so he did it for $6,000 on the concrete. So yeah, so I'm happy about it. So on Thanksgiving, I'll be there eating turkey. Christmas, stuff like that. New Year. Oh. Nice. I'm so happy. This is really nice. Oh. Thank the Lord for my life. Praise the Lord. That's our baby Ace walking. He already walking. He will be 11 months old tomorrow. Then December he will be 1 year old. Oh, our baby growing so fast. Growing so fast. Our little Ace. Look at that, my husband and my nephew. Tulong-tulong. Oh, here comes the baby. Better watch out. Watch out. Nice. Okay. We should have done this morning, but it went rain all day. So yeah. We only have few hours to do it. It might be rain again later. Good. AC. Agpidot ti bulong. Hala. Hey. What up? Hi. Hi. La. Run. Alright. Okay. Update. Because we already put this one, mosquito net. Now you can see. These are the mosquito nets. Stuff like that. Sorry. It's so hard to video. Whoa! Why you're so mean, mommy? Okay, so guys, we already there you go. So we already put this one. This is mosquito net or something. Yeah. So that one is pretty much done. Well, we can put yet the roof because we don't have time. It's 6 o'clock now in the evening. So we are all done for the day. We will continue do tomorrow. Yeah, it's so hard to build this DIY thing. Shout out to Domi Outdoors Living. Yep. You guys, they have a website, they have Facebook page. Yeah, so I will put in the link. Maybe you wanna buy from them. I don't get any commission. I'm just, you know, telling you guys. This is review. Yeah. Oh my goodness, we're almost there. Almost. Can't wait, you guys. Can't wait. And look, our baby. Ooh, loves the sunset. Run! Run, Ace! Run, baby! Run! Ah, it's so nice, the concrete. Okay, till tomorrow. It's so hard to put this roof. I told you we need other guys.
You got to put all the rubber things on those. You get those ready. I'll go up and loosen that screw.
Too much of a hassle. You know. So hard. This is day 3. This is the day 3. Ay, is it that day 2? Oh, baby. Oh, we already slowly putting the roof little bit, and now here is the other side part. You know, guys, it's so hard because this plastic is keep coming off. So if you're watching this video, this is helpful hack.
Modified.
Right? Modified.
Modified.
Uh-huh.
The right way.
The right way.
Right.
So, okay.
We gotta move the table.
We're gonna move the table. Yeah. Wow. AC is happy. AC boy. Yung langanan eh. Cute. And the sky is so blue. Very nice looking, you guys. This is the last part to use. To put. Oh, it's not that last to put because it still have some curtains and stuff like that. But yeah, here's the roof. This one got bent for some reason. Yeah, so there's code to follow. This is really solid metal. It's metal, guys. Yep, it's kinda heavy. Oh shit. Oh. So we're done with this. That's the one. Yeah, so we're done with this one. Yeah. Yeah. So we're done with this. That one.
Yeah, we're done with the top completely.
We're done with the top. And that's the one. Oh, this is so hard, you guys, to put. You say DIY, but it's a bitch. Yeah. We need the guys. We should have hire guys.
Yeah, we had to have
Yeah. And this one is done. So now we have to put the big ones. So here's the number. Yep. So in this side, in here, stuff like that. Oh, so here's the, see, there's code to follow. And this one is real metal, you guys. It's kind of heavy. Yep. They are heavy to put. So I don't know. Yeah, I think we need help to put some of these. Yeah, looking better. We're almost there, but because like in 1 hour I need to go work. Omar is still there. Yeah. Yeah.
They're making a new.
Yeah. For Thanksgiving. Omar, we'll be ready for Thanksgiving.
Are you guys celebrating Thanksgiving?
Yeah. Yes, we do. Oh, we're almost done. Oh, this will be nice. Can't wait. Oh, looking good. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. One problem after the other. And now,
You have these braces to go in.
yeah, that we do. We do that tomorrow, cause I'll get ready. Okay. Good morning. I just woke up, and it's 8:30. I slept late last night, like 2. Yeah, my husband already put the bracket, or I don't know what you call that, but to hold the roof. Here's some of the roof. Like I said, there's number, there's code, stuff like that. The roof. Ay. This is my job. I'm assisting. Yeah. We're in step 3. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so this is really difficult. Come on. It's so hard to put. It's like it's easy, but this is a bitch.
Can you stick
It's
a
so
screw
hard.
in this one?
It's so hard.
My hand just screw.
Yeah, and every
You
edge,
still baked in with that one.
we need to put this thing too. What you call this, plastic?
Well, here, put a screw in this one, and then we'll start worrying about that. See this one here?
It's so hard. Then having hard time help his angle.
Drop a screw in.
Oh, halfway done. Little bit, not yet. There's improvement. Because it's been raining all day yesterday. So we can't do anything about it. And it's so hard to put them all together. We still have a lot to do. Since we already put the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, now we need to add the 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. So here's the 6. 6, and this is the 8. Where's the 7 over there? Hala ko yung mabisin.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
Test screw.
Almost done. Wow, ako nagrigat. The roof is nice. Oh. Domi is hard to put all together. Wow, looks good on this side. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah, it's kind of big. I think that's too small. But it looks okay. Already good. I'm far from. Oh, this is the inside. Yeah. What do you guys think? Wow, it's really hard. Guys, if you notice this one, that's that's
There's one more.
where we're gonna put the curtains. We got the one side done. One side. It's more to go. We did this for 2 hours. Over like 3 hours. It's more hard to assemble. So hard. Guys, yan. Nag-yellow na yung mga mga leaves. Look at them birds. How are we doing? Canadian geese flying. Oh, look at that. Our gazebo. It's looking good. Looking good. Almost done. Hala. Oh, guys. Just the last one. Tapos na. Oh, grabe guys. This is a lot of work. It's hard work. A lot of work on this one. And so later they can put the curtains in this one. So almost in. That's the last side they're doing. So almost done. Look, this is still the step 3 and step 4. This is the curtains. Oh la la. Imagine that. We have to drill something here. My nails is adding. Yeah, so it's like there. We have to add for the curtains. Pretty much done. Because I'm going to work soon. So they got that and just like that. Be careful, Bon. This is the one to hold the gutter. Like this. Oh Look at that, mi amor. This is the curtain. Yeah, it will be like that. For the bugs. Bugs curtain. Oh la la. Look. And then it will be like this.
Next.
This one I have.
Oh, looking good.
Yeah.
See? Oh my goodness.
Do you have it or want to go?
Yep.
Number 10?
Now we need to bolt this in. Yeah, because our gazebo is 12 by 14. So yeah. Nice. Yeah, see that? That is the last part. Need to bolt in. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Uh-huh. Oh, wow. It's a hard work. Oh la la. Almost done. Almost done. Yeah. That's really nice. Okay.
Sorry, Tom. Stop.
The last one. Almost, guys. We're nearly done. Woohoo! We're almost. See, it's so hard to put that one. We have to put also on this side.
Yeah.
It's really hard, guys. You need like 5 people to do this.
It says 2.
It's
at least 3.
at least 5 people. At least we look 3 of us. We even you know what we did? We even have to add tape because that thing is coming out so fast. Look what happened. I even taped my hair. See, I lost a lot of hair just doing the taping. Oh, yan. Oh, it's done. It's done. Oh, because I'm not there. Han, I go work now. Before it start to rain. Hala, nagpintas talaga. Lepating nga. Yeah, I go now and put my clothes. Ooh, it's done, guys. Okay na. It's done, guys. Look, the roof. The roof. The roof. Needs to do some of the gutter, stuff like that. Hanto ba basat deta na may mayaten. May tibyo na ano ag kapkape kada. We can eat now, guys. They be doing karaoke later while I'm at work. But it's still kinda cold. It's freezing. It's freezing today. Yeah. So guys, here's the finishing of my gazebo. Yeah, we haven't put the other curtain. What's that? Bug screen. But yeah, we will put in summer. Whatever. We will gonna put the curtain, the bugs curtain, next year, summer. So yeah, here's the outcome. Oh yeah, you guys, it's raining. But it's kind of little bit sunny. So what you guys think? Domi, we got this from Domi Outdoor Living, Keneme. Yeah, so this one is really nice. This one have zipper. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice. All right, now I feel cozy. We need to put some light inside, because if we close all the curtains, it will be dark. Yeah. So this is a curtain with zipper. It's quite nice. That's the Domi tag. Outdoor living, stuff like that. So yeah, I love it. Yep. Yeah, I will be feeling cozy. I like it. Oh la la, it's raining. It's raining, man. So yeah, what you guys think? I'm gonna put some plant, stuff like that. Okay guys, hope you like our vlog for today's video. I can come here when on my day off. I can come living, stuff like that. I need to put some light. Oh yeah, I'm ready for Thanksgiving. Yeah, Christmas, New Year, stuff like that. So it's really nice. I like it. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.